The gut-brain axis refers to the complex communication network between the gut and the brain. Probiotics, which are beneficial bacteria found in fermented foods and supplements, play a crucial role in maintaining a healthy gut and supporting brain function. A balanced gut microbiome can positively impact mood, cognition, and overall brain health. Fermented foods like yogurt, kefir, sauerkraut, and kimchi are excellent sources of probiotics. These foods can help improve gut health, which in turn can enhance mental clarity and emotional well-being. Research has shown that probiotics can reduce symptoms of anxiety and depression, improve cognitive function, and support a healthy stress response. By incorporating probiotics into your diet, you can promote a healthy gut-brain connection and support optimal brain health. For more quick tips and in-depth information, check out the links in the description below to claim your copies of our free guides and cheat sheets on topics like this one.